Why business should be fun for you. Oops, I'm supposed to be standing, not sitting in this one. So, very, 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 very important. Wow, this light is not very good right now. Let me turn this light up. So, ooh, wow, it's even worse. So, business deserves to be more fun for you. If you're not having fun in your business, you're just not doing something right. Okay, let me tell you exactly why I believe that. So, in my opinion, business needs to be fun because that's what allows you to be able to do it long enough for you to start seeing the success that you deserve. So, a lot of people don't really understand like the correct strategy that they're supposed to be using in order to actually go and find the success that I believe they deserve. And along the way for them, hitting that road of failure, they're disappointed, they're scared, they're confused, they're frustrated, right? I do not want that to happen to you. So instead, what you have to be able to do is you have to learn how to have more fun. Let me give you an example, right? So when I was doing e-commerce, right? When I was doing it small and, I didn't really know whether or not I was going to be successful at it, it was no fun because it was constantly like, is this going to work? How is this going to work? Why am I not a little bit bigger than what I was? It wasn't until I started changing my mentality and started, finding different ways to actually grow a lot faster that things became fun. Because then I grew it to about 10 employees, right? We were doing multiple tens of thousands. It was about 20,000 sales per month, right? And it was so much fun. There was so much activity, so much energy going. I was constantly having to talk to them. It felt like I was moving really, really fast, and my life and my business was very, very, interesting, right? And it was extremely fun because of the progress I was making. I wanted to work more hours. I wanted to see exactly how much further I could go. It was totally different than back when I was working in a job, right? When I was working a job, it was like, okay, we just got to get through the day. It's not because I didn't like the work or because I was lazy. It was just the day was just way too long of me doing stuff that I was not really interested in doing. Okay, so and then having to play politics, having to do exactly what someone else taught or told me to do, and then if you didn't do that, then they got upset with you, right? So there was no creativity that was allowed, and oftentimes in that role that I was in, right? But once I was able to find this stuff and I was able to actually make things move forward, the same thing with this business. Once it started moving forward, then it was more fun. Why am I able to do videos every single day? Because I'm enjoying them. I know that if I put in, a video per day, I'm going to get X amount of clients per week, right? And it's going to just keep flowing and flowing and flowing and flowing. And even then, it starts getting exponential. And then I don't have to do a single video every day, but I still want to do a video every day because it's fun. That's what I want for you, okay? Maybe you're in a full-time job right now and you have a business on the side, or maybe you've been thinking about starting a business. you know, I can assure you that if you know what you're doing and you actually know the direction that you need to go to start seeing success a lot faster, and you actually know what signs show that you are on the right track towards seeing success, then you are going to really be able to hit this a lot faster and actually move towards your goals and move towards your dreams. If that's something that inspires you or something that you've been looking for, just some free information to show you how to start reaching towards your goal, I recommend you go check out my group in the description either above or below depending on where you see the video. You know, I gotta tell you, right? So where did I even find this information? How did I even understand this secret? How did I get these tips, right? It started when I had to go out and find a mentor, right? So the person put out just a message on Facebook, hey, I'm looking to mentor somebody. I immediately messaged that person. I messaged him 10 times, once per day for a bunch of days, right? And then the person finally gave and said, okay, cool. You're the only one who's actually messaging me consistently. Let's do this, right? And then it's just basically I took it from someone who was already making a lot of money. They showed me how to do it step by step. It took a little bit longer than what I would have liked, but I'm glad that, we took the time to actually go and do it. I'm very thankful that it actually happened and that I was able to get this information. But now it allows me to pass it on to you guys, okay? Because it's no fun for me to be, successful by myself, right? I need friends. I need people to invest in my ideas, invest in my vision, invest in my business. I need people to want to, just tell people about me. What if I run for senator one day? I need people to vote for me, right? So I need to be able to have a lot of friends who I've made wealthy, or if at least, awaken their desire to be able to go make money, or awaken their, passion for life again. Whatever the case might be for you, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. Okay? Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed doing it. and enjoyed creating it. Tony Robbins says that success leaves clues, right? So inside the group are the clues. Don't miss out on it. A painful experience that I've either experienced myself or I've seen people have is, you look at their social media accounts from one year to the next, and they're the exact same place. Don't let that be you. Go join this group. So feel free to hit that share button so other people can benefit from this information as well. Have a great day. See you later. Talk to you soon. Subscribe and sayonara.